Itong hingi-hingi, that's extortion. It is extortion or illegal exaction. Yung mga taxi, both dito sa Davao pati sa Maynila. Alam mo, pag kinuha mo yung pera ng tao kasi wala kang sinsilyo at hindi mo talaga binalik, that is estafa. It is not a simple violation. Kaya sinabi ko sa mga driver dito, it is not your money and you go away with it. Ayaw mong kambiyan, sabi mo wala kang sinsilyo, huwag ka mag-drive. So it behooves upon the taxi company now to provide the drivers with loose changes at the start of the day. Ganon. And I would like to ask also the riding public para hindi kayo mabiktima, you try to estimate how much you'd pay for your fare. Kasi minsan bigyan mo ng 100, itatakbo ng gago, wala siyang no loose change. Try to figure out the amount that you have to pay to reach your destination. Pati itong mga taxi driver, you must have loose changes at all times. Pagka wala na, pumara ka, pumunta ka doon sa tindahan, saan yung suki mo, then you have it converted to coins and smaller denominations.